Long Island iced tea.
Huh?
Ice in a glass. Vodka. 1 ounce of vodka. One ounce of rum. Tequila, 1 ounce also. Tequila, I think tequila is very strong, huh?
Yeah.
Because I put in margarita and I just take a sip of it. The gin, 1 ounce of gin. Let's put more ice in our glass because it starts to shrink. For now. Oh, sorry. 1 ounce of gin. And 1 ounce of triple sec. It's a Long Island iced tea. Sweet and sour. I'm just gonna put it here. 1 ounce. Sweet and sour. Let's put a Coke. Look at that, guys. Looks like the Coke just float just on the top. Gonna put I will put a cherry. Let's put lime. Don't fall down. So, and of course, voila! The Long Island iced tea. Don't forget, guys, don't drink and drive.